G'day, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides from Melbourne, Australia. I'm riding my trusty VStrom 650 and you're watching Motoramblings.
Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings. I'm Patrick and I'm Motoramblings, and we're here today to do a mail call from the garage. Haven't been able to get out on the bikes for a while now, as you all well know. So here we are in the garage. Yes, I'm gonna start. I know you've got something over there that you're gonna open up. And we're going to do a mail call and hopefully do it with just a little bit of style today. If you've been here before, you know I've been playing with this stuff and trying to come up with green screen and parent trap effect. How do you think that's going? I think we need to do a little bit of work on it. Some practice. We got to work on our timing. Yes, definitely. We'll get it. We'll get it. Oh, we will. So I'm going to start the mail call today, and what I'm going to try to do, put a little video from the sender up on the green screen. Green screen. Easy for you to say. Yeah, I know. I got it. So, I'm going to start with the Ramblings of Larry from Lake Park, Georgia. And he sent me this little card. I have not opened this yet, so I'm going to check it out. Did you watch his last one? Oh yeah, of course I did. Great stuff. I love the way he just rides around and rambles. Yeah, like me. Yeah, I know you did. It was really good. He was just doing all kinds of shout-outs just from the bike. Yeah, he was. And he got I enjoy him. Oh, I do too. He's a good storyteller. I like that. So if you haven't seen it, go check out the Ramblings of Larry. The stories. Yeah, they're pretty good. Yeah, from South Georgia. All right, so Motoramblings. And your little dog stamp on the backside. Pretty cool. Love that. Let's see. I think you might have seen a picture of my puppy and cat on Instagram just recently. Oh, it was a great picture. Yeah, it was. I liked it. They are. All right, so let's see. From the Ramblings of Larry, we have a card with a nice looking motorcycle on it. I'll put that right here. And it says, just a quick note to let you know that I have put you on our church prayer group. We are praying for your complete healing and great riding. God bless Pastor Larry Hauser, the Ramblings of Larry. Well, that's awesome, Larry. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. That's just great. Cool. Yeah, it is. It's great. I love it. This community is amazing. This vlogging community. It is. The community, the vlogging community. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's amazing. Mm-hmm. I love it. I do too. That's awesome. It really is. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Larry. I have a physical therapy appointment a week from tomorrow. I am on the road to recovery. Yes! I should be riding, hopefully very soon. I hope so. Took that right there. Now what are you doing? You gonna continue? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Yeah. I'm ready too. I'm hoping that the physical therapist says, you can start riding after 1 or 2 treatments. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Oh, and I'll be gone. Oh yeah, I'll be right there with you before you get to yours. This one is from Mr. McStache. Now, I'm a little afraid to open this. Why? I'm going to do it very carefully. I don't understand what's the problem. Yeah, you know it. I know. You've seen it. I have. We've both seen enough of these being opened that we know to be careful. Very careful. You'll see why in a moment. Yep. Alright, so first thing, let's see some paper. Pull that out very carefully. Very carefully. Don't say that in the wrong crowd. Okay, so I'm going to read the note first. Motoramblings, thanks for the sticker swap. Yeah, I sent him one a little bit ago. He put a magnet on it, put it up on his garage door. Really cool. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, it is. He's got that garage door. He's got a ton. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's going to need more garage doors. Yeah. All right. Thanks for the sticker swap. I have included my channel stickers for you and a wooden nickel for that other guy. You get the wooden nickel. What? What's that all about? What the? I get the wooden nickel. Use caution with the mustache seeds. May cause unwanted hair growth in women and children. Will it cause me to have some hair growth on the top? Just a little? It's going away. Yes, it is. That's not funny. I thought it was. No, that's not funny. It's a riot, if you ask me. You get the wooden nickel. Yeah. All right, so let's see what we got inside here. Mr. McStache motorcycle meanderings. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, I love it. Send a picture of.
Yeah.
Send a picture of it. Right there. Nice. Not done. More. We have a spam card. Mr. McStache, I'm taking you with me. Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.
Oh, that's
very nice. I love it. Drop that in there. Still got more. Yeah, great mail call. All right. Uh-oh. I think I see some unwanted hair growth seeds.
I want hair growth, though.
Mr. McStache motorcycle meanderings. Man, that's a great sticker.
Yeah,
I'll put it right here. And a wooden nickel for you.
That's just...
What the heck? Why do I get the wooden nickel? That's not right. It's not that funny.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. All right.
I'm taking a sticker.
You got and one more of the smaller stickers.
See? Plenty.
I love it.
Me too.
And then we have mustache seeds. Be careful. All right. They're going to be very small. So I'll take a picture of them. Put it up. Oh, I don't know. Oh, right about right here. Right here. All right. I'm going to put them on the top of my head. See if the hair will grow.
You need a hat and maybe some water.
Oh, you're a wise ass, aren't you? Yeah. I got mustache seeds and stickers. Beep, beep.
At least I don't need the mustache seeds.
From me, Mr. McStache and the Ramblings of Larry, thank you both so very much.
Yes, thank you.
Really awesome. I love it. I love having this stuff to be able to do this from the garage stuff. Mail calls, stickers, and all that. Oh, I love it. So, we're not riding. Your turn. Already? You sure? All right. Here, while you're doing that, I'm going to put these back in the envelope.
Okay.
Take pictures and put them on the sticker board when you're done.
All right. Be careful with the mustache seeds, though.
Go ahead.
Don't want them getting to where they don't need to be.
All right. I've got one here from Ty from Tennessee. Check it out.
I like this editing thing. I'm kind of having fun with it now.
I'm making a lot of noise over there. All right, so on the back we got the Ty from Tennessee sticker with a little motorcycle on it. Again, I'll take a picture. No, I won't, because I'm going to tear it all up. So you don't get to see a picture of that. You'll get to see a picture of the stickers.
Oh yeah, I enjoy his stuff.
Yeah, he's got great stuff.
Yeah, I'm glad he's back on the bike.
Oh, I know. He had that wreck.
Or
That's
a
horrible.
bike. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
Mm-hmm.
It's great to see him out again.
I love his stuff.
You want to do the sign off?
Not yet. Not
All right.
done. I can finish. Let me finish. Holy cow. Ty from Tennessee. Nice letterhead. Yeah, you stay happy. No, we're not out yet. I'm gonna finish. He's out of here. Okay, Ty from Tennessee, P.O. Box in Ottawa, Tennessee. With the new bike comes new stickers. I very much appreciate your time and support for the channel. Have a great day. Ty Cooper, Ty from Tennessee. Patrick, thank you for the well wishes. My wife and I are healing up and doing fine. Oh, that is awesome to hear. I can't wait to see the rides again. I'm glad you're both getting back on the bike. I hate hearing when things like that happen. So I have 3 stickers from Ty from Tennessee. Oh, I like that. Kind of an old style. There's, ooh, that one's really reflective. I'll take pictures. I'll probably put them all together on one picture. This reflective one's really cool. I think the reflective one I'm gonna put it up on the board. I'll put one of these other ones on the motorcycle because I have 2 of those and 1 of the reflective ones. Oh, that is so cool. All right, well, he signed off already, so I'll let you go now. Thank you all again for all of this. I will be back on the bike before too terribly long, and I love getting the stickers and being able to do these mail call kind of things. I really appreciate it. Sorry this went on so long. I hope everyone can stay well, stay safe, and as that guy over there said some time ago, stay happy, y'all. Motoramblings out.